In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Squarespace website code. Whether you're migrating your site to another platform, creating a backup, or simply need the exported content, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Squarespace website content saved and ready to use elsewhere. And if you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can sign up using the link in the description below. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, head over to your website dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Locate the specific site you want to work with and click on it. This step is really important, especially if you manage multiple websites under the same account, as it ensures you're working on the correct one. Now that you're inside your website's settings, look to the left side of the screen and click on the Settings option. This will open up a menu with various configuration options for your site. Next, scroll down through the Settings menu and look for the section labeled Import and Export Content. Keep in mind, depending on your current theme or any recent Squarespace updates, the exact location of this option might vary slightly, so scroll slowly and carefully to ensure you don't miss it. Once you've found the Import and Export Content section, click on Export. A new set of export options will appear on your screen. From these options, select WordPress as your export type. Now, you might be wondering why WordPress is the recommended format. Squarespace generates export files in a format that is directly compatible with WordPress, which makes the migration process much easier and more seamless. After selecting WordPress, Squarespace will begin to generate your export file. This process can take a little bit of time, especially if your website contains a lot of content. So be patient and give it a few moments to complete. If your site contains multiple blogs or collections, you may be prompted to select which one you'd like to include in the export. This is a great way to customize your export file and only include the specific parts of your site you need. Once the export file is ready, you'll see a download link appear. Click on this link to download the export file to your computer. Make sure to save the file in a safe and easily accessible location, such as your desktop or a dedicated folder for your website files. This way, you'll be able to find it quickly when you need it. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Squarespace website code. With the export file now saved on your computer, you're ready to migrate your content or store it as a backup. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.